I started working for Mr. Appliance about 5, maybe 6 weeks ago. You know, my boss had never really sent anyone to Dyer. He's been really eager to send someone to Dyer. He's been struggling to find technicians that are really worth anything. He really can't slow down on the schedule to take the time to do a classroom format. We've got to be out on the road training in a customer's home. This is where he's like, I want to send somebody to Dyer. Can you do it? We've got 3 small kids, so we were able to make that jump and go for it. Just doing it online, just learning even basic electricity, basic gas. Those theories can be very challenging to absorb in your mind and actually understand and put a map in your mind of how that works. Trying to put that together just online without really having experience and having all the appliances to work on, you know, it's challenging. The classroom model, you get the theory of operation, so you see it on the screen, you talk about it, but then you can actually come in, see the operation, what's actually going on in the appliance and break it down. For the last 5 weeks, I've been running around with my boss or a trainer, trying to pick things up as we go, which is kind of nerve-wracking. You know, you've got a customer watching you too, so it's even awkward for my trainer to do that. Being able to have, I think, smarter questions to ask my trainer or my boss, and then actually being productive, being able to go in, see a dryer or a washer or a refrigerator, and know the basic operation, what it should be doing, what it is doing that it shouldn't be doing, and then being able to actually, you know, get in there and start figuring it out and make some money.